Just as the call starts is your leads. What rule can we have for our leads? We can't control the leads. That's the marketing's job. Correct. We cannot force more leads into our pipeline. We cannot change the quality of the leads. That is for marketing. But what we can change is how we perceive the leads. I'm sure you've been a salesperson. I know I'm guilty of it, where at some point in your selling career, you blame the leads. Now, we're not going to get into the cheesy, cliche conversation of me saying, it's not the leads. All I can say right now is if you have one rule for your leads, this is the golden rule. Every prospect who turns up to a sales call has a problem they want to solve. Now the specifics are turning up to a sales call. So if you're doing outbound dialing, if they stay on the phone with you, that means they've got a problem to solve, or they're just the 1 in a million person that doesn't know how to say, hey, I need to go, or just press the hang up button, even if they feel uncomfortable doing that. If somebody is talking to you, especially if they've turned up to a booked call, they have a problem and they want to solve it. People don't just waste their time. As humans, we conserve our energy. We conserve our time as well. We're not going to book in a 1 hour call, turn up to the 1 hour call if we don't have a problem we want to actually solve. Now, sure, some people are more committed from the get-go. Some people are more determined. Some people need more help on the sales call. Some people need less. But whatever happens, do not be a salesperson that gets into the mindset with your leads of these are bad leads. This person didn't have a problem. This person wasn't qualified. Now, I understand as a salesperson myself, at the end of the call, you might find out they just can't do it. They can't access credit. They can't get financing. They can't borrow the money. There's just no way they can do it. But don't come into the sales call, starting the sales call with the mindset that some leads are bad leads and some leads are good leads. As a rule that is going to help you make more money, have the rule that every prospect who turns up to a sales call has a problem they want to solve. And watch what happens. You'll start getting better leads. You'll start probably getting more leads that turn up. You'll start getting better leads. You'll start getting more leads that turn up. You'll find that the conversations become more natural. They become easier. Why is that? Well, as I was saying before, if you study a little bit of quantum physics, you realize all the secret and the law of attraction and all of that, you find very quickly that our reality is a reflection of our beliefs. We are actually projecting our reality into existence. So if you believe the reality that every prospect that turns up to a call has a problem that they want to solve, you now create an easier conversation because you're coming into that conversation to help and to serve, as opposed to coming into that conversation combative, reactive, frustrated, annoyed, feel like you're wasting your time with these prospects that aren't qualified. Always follow the rule when it comes to your leads of believing that every prospect who turns up to a call has a problem they want to solve. Next, we have how many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.